Hi, I'm Judy Gautier, and one of the things that we're going to learn in Transform Your Scraps, the Treasure Box block, is how to use the color wheel to do that, to transform your scraps. I'm going to show you several different methods for choosing a color theme or a color scheme and how to choose your scraps depending on which color scheme you choose. So you're the designer, it's your quilt. We're going to talk about different ways to stratify color, to divide color according to the color wheel and according to your own color sense and the kinds of scraps that you have in your sewing room. So you will find this color wheel to be an extremely useful tool. And we're going to take all the mystery out of it. So many times people look at a color wheel and they just freeze and they're like, I don't really know how to use that. Well, we're going to clear all that up and you're going to become color wheel pros by the time you're done taking this class. And you will not be intimidated forevermore with scraps in your sewing room.